Hey y'all, I'm sorry I've been gone for a while, but school just took over my entire life. But I'm back, and right now I'm about to show you guys my failed Flexi rod set. Yes, y'all read this and y'all heard it correctly. A failed Flexi rod set. Okay, so as always, I'm going to take my water and my replenishing styling cream as the two products that I'm going to use for my hair. And I started on dry hair. This is not freshly washed hair. And honestly, this is all that I should have used in my hair. Just that little bit of water and my replenishing styling cream. Oh yes, and I also did use my coconut oil to seal in the moisture. I do the same routine. I take those 4 sections and I split them. I end up having 8 sections. Now this is where I messed up at. I added more water. Now if I was going to add more water, I should have just left it here, but y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. This is not where the mistakes end. So I take my water, I spritz my hair some more just to make sure it's moisturized, and then I detangle my hair before applying my Flexi rod. And I work 2 sections at a time. I ended up applying some more water because I didn't want my hair to be too dry. Y'all, I just messed up. I messed up. After doing that, I go ahead and detangle my hair just a little more, and I start to put the Flexi rods in my head. Now this is my first time doing it, so I was struggling. Super struggling. I didn't know if I wanted to start from the bottom up or go from the top down. I was just struggling. Y'all gonna see my frustrations. I was just shaking. The Flexi rod was so hard to close. I couldn't figure it out. Y'all, I was struggling, like I was struggling, but now I know how to apply these. This was just my first time using them, and I did not understand the mechanics of it for some reason.
For the first time, running on the red lights, the middle finger was a peace sign, yeah. We were sipping on emotion, smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless and we owned it, yeah, yeah. We were high and we were sober, we were on and we were over. We were young and now I'm older, but I do it all.
So now I'm done with my hair. So after that, this is how I wrap my hair up. I applied a hair scarf to the top and then a hair scarf to the back. And honestly, if you would like to sleep in the Flexi rods, this is the way that I would recommend sleeping in them, because all of the Flexi rods, all of the curls are protected. And if you want to shower like I did, I went ahead and added a bag on top just to protect my hair from getting wet. Even wetter than it already was.
Speeding for the finish line, coming to the end of our time, yeah.
So at this time, it's been like a good 5 to 6 hours. I swear it had been like a good 6 hours that I had these freaking Flexi rods in my head, and I expected them to be dry, but no, they were not. So they came out looking like this. They got cotton balls with Shirley temples at the ends. Oh my goodness. Like, it really would have been a cute hairstyle if I just left them in and let them dry. And I know I shouldn't have added so much water. And then I was in a rush because me and my husband were going out on a date, so I didn't want to like sleep in them. I really wanted that hairstyle for that day. But girl, this look a mess. I look like a spider. But it's all good. It's all good because I think on my feet, plan B, how about that one? So I just went ahead and twisted up the sides of my hair. I 2-strand flat twist each side of my head and let that into a really puffy bun, low bun, and that was so cute. Honestly, it was really cute. I was really satisfied with that hairstyle, and I just rocked it like that for the night. And that's it. I will be coming out with a successful flexirod hairstyle, but I really wanted to show y'all how badly I messed up and how I recovered from my big mistake. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys found it entertaining. If you did, go ahead and like. If you are new here and would like more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase.
Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days.